In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on Shein, a convenient way to shop now and pay later. If you're not familiar with Klarna, it's a payment service that allows you to spread the cost of your purchase over time without incurring interest, making it perfect for budgeting your shopping spree more effectively. To get started, head over to the Shein website and browse through their wide selection of fashion items. Once you've filled your cart with everything you want, proceed to the checkout page. Here's where the magic happens. At checkout, you'll see various payment options. Among these will be Klarna, which is what you'll want to select to take advantage of their flexible payment options. Once you choose Klarna as your preferred payment method, you'll be prompted to complete your purchase using Klarna's service. The process is seamless and straightforward. You'll have the option to either create a Klarna account or log in if you already have one. This account will then allow you to track all your purchases and payments with ease. Now let's dive into how you can pay flexibly with Klarna while shopping on Shein. Klarna offers different payment plans, but the most popular one is Pay in 4. This plan lets you split your total purchase amount into 4 equal payments, made every 2 weeks. The first payment is due at the point of sale, and the remaining 3 will be automatically withdrawn from your preferred payment method every 2 weeks. It's a simple and efficient way to manage your finances without having to pay the total upfront. Once you've chosen the payment plan that suits you best, confirm your order, and that's it. Your Shein items will be on their way to you, and you'll be left with the peace of mind of knowing your payments are spread out over time. With Klarna, you can enjoy your shopping experience with less financial stress. An additional benefit of using Klarna is the ability to manage your transactions all in one place. The Klarna app or website offers a user-friendly interface where you can view and manage all your active purchases, see upcoming payments, and get notifications about due dates, ensuring that you never miss a payment. Remember, it's important to keep track of your purchases and ensure that you have enough funds in your account for the scheduled payments to avoid any late fees. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use Klarna on Shein. Enjoy your shopping while managing your budget effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on Shein with Klarna.